Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of Epic Games Launcher consuming your battery and your graphic cards. Now, if you have multiple graphic cards, the Epic Games Launcher, if it consumes one specific graphic card, particularly RTX, then it will definitely gonna affect your gameplay. Now, in order to fix that, just simply in the Start menu, search for graphic settings. Inside the graphic settings, just simply hit Open, and here in the graphic settings, scroll down until you find that specific application, or you can simply browse the application from here. Just simply hit on this option of add desktop app, and from here we need to browse to the Epic Games, like go to the program files. In here you'll see this option that says Epic Games. So open the Epic Games launcher, and here you can see browse to this specific part and select the Epic Games launcher. Hit add. Now here, make sure that this option is set to power saving. That means Epic Games launcher is allowed only to use the AMD graphics card instead of RTX, and using this process, it will definitely gonna solve your issue of consuming a lot of graphics under the Epic Games launcher, so you can easily fix that issue from here.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.